I need all the junior pirates to come up here and gather around here. So all the junior pirates, come on. I need junior pirates from downstairs as well, if you'd like to come upstairs. So come on, all the junior pirates, out you come. Bring your pirate hats as well.
Пожалуйста, всех русские дети на верхняя палуба. Начинает наша программа, давайте.
Okay, so my name is Pirate Ruby, this is Pirate Scarlet, this is Pirate Petya. And there's just one small problem, you see. We don't know any of your names. So what I need you to do is shout your names out really, really loud as you can, so everyone on the harbour can hear you, so all of your names storing out into our brains. Can you do that? Shout really loud.
Кто здесь говорит по-русски? Поднимайте ручки. 3, 4, кто еще? Только вы? Вот там один. Слышите, ребята, они знают ваши имена. Поэтому все дети вместе на 3 надо очень громко кричим свои имена. Всех вместе на 3. Поняли? Да.
Okay, so on 3, ready? You're going to shout your names really, really loud. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Well, it wasn't very good. I heard Jack, and that was about it. So we're going to do it really loud this time so everyone can hear. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. That was a little bit better. So in a minute, Captain Jack Pigeon's going to come out. And he's going to come out and say, "Ahoy there, shipmates." And you need to say, "Ahoy there, Captain," just as loud as you was then. Even louder, in fact. So I'm going to come out. "Ahoy there, shipmates." That's very good. He's going a lot louder, okay? He's going to come.
Ребята, наш капитан сейчас придет. Когда он вам поздравит "Ahoy there, shipmates", вы это сделаете так и кричим "Ahoy, капитан". Хорошо?
Ahoy there! Ahoy there, shipmates! They weren't together, I thought they can. Fusion.
You need to be really loud. Ahoy there, Captain, okay?
Ahoy there, shipmates! I'll do whatever. We welcome children one and all, and now you've learned that pirate call, it's time to learn the pirate moves. You can do them if you choose. We're going to teach the moves to you, and old people, you can do them too. So all of the old people stand up. All the old people stand up. Come on, up you get. Come on. Anyone over the age of 12, get up. Up you get. Steady, up. Yeah. You're gonna be used to be 10 minutes. Come on then. Come on. Pirate Ruby, what is the first of the pirate move?
It is climb the rigging, Captain.
Climb the rigging, everybody climb the rigging, 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 climb the rigging. Good, that's very good, very, very good. Pirate Scarlet to the starboard side. What is the second of the pirate move?
Scrub the deck.
Scrubbing the decks, let's do that. Everybody scrub the decks, scrub the decks, scrub the decks, scrub the decks. Everybody scrub the decks. Scrub the decks, scrub the decks, Polska, scrub the decks, scrub the decks. Good, now climb the rigging, climb the rigging, climb the rigging, climb the rigging, climb the rigging. Good, that's really good. Now scrub the decks, scrub the decks, scrub the decks, good. And climb the rigging, climb the rigging, that's good. Scrub the decks, scrub the decks, and climb, scrub the deck, climb it. Oh, I am a silly pirate, did it? That was very good at it. Oh, Pirate Ruby, what's that move you're doing now? What's that one?
I need a wee.
Oh, you need a wee. Oh, don't copy Pirate Ruby, she just needs to go to the toilet. Go over there, hang yourself over the side. Hopefully it doesn't spray. Alright, now, welcome on board the Jolly. Are you alright? Yeah, welcome on board. Now listen, we're heading to our secret pirate bay. And our secret pirate bay is 250 nautical miles ahead of us. And we're going to be there in approximately 10 to 15 minutes time. Driver, walk back to 6, please. What is it, Pirate Scarlet?
We know everybody's names now, but I think it'd be a really good idea if we found out where everyone was from.
I haven't finished what I was doing. Don't interrupt me. Before we do anything else, I think we should find out where everybody's from today, don't you? That's a good idea, and I'm a clever pirate. Tell you what we'll do. We'll shout out some places at random, and if the boys and girls and old people are from that place, they can go, Yo-ho! In it. And we'll score points. Yeah. Here's Petter again now to translate to the Ruskies. Every 2 seconds. We don't want a mutiny, isn't it? Not especially not at this time.
Так, слышите, он хочет узнать, кто откуда. Поэтому, когда вы услышите русский,
Oh, that's good, isn't it? Do you want this one?
если вы услышите русский, очень громко надо кричать «Йо-хо». Нет «уа», «Йо-хо».
I will go first because I'm the pirate captain, Jack Pigeon, isn't it? Anybody from my country? Wales! Yay! 2 of you, 3 of you. Welcome, Wales, and it is yo-ho. Let's do it again. Wales! Yo-ho! Oh, that was good. You're very happy Welshman at the back. You have a go, Pirate Ruby.
Anyone from my country? England!
They're always a mouthy lot there, aren't they? Welcome. Well, you're in the lead, Pirate Ruby. You all go, Pirate Pet, yeah?
А кто из России?
Спасибо большое, Петя. Молодцы, молодцы. Who's left for you, Pirate Scarlet? Have you go?
Cyprus.
Cyprus! Yeah, really? Anybody from Scotland today? No, they're all voting. Ireland? No, anybody from... Where else do we get? Right there. The United States of America! Is it anybody from the Lebanon? Hello, Lebanon. Anyone else? We don't like to miss people out. We get bad reviews on TripAdvisor. Not everyone. We covered everybody. Where? Portugal! Oh, obrigado! Thank you very much. Welcome. And Belgium! Hello, Belgium! Everybody's here today. We've never had Portuguese on board. And Polska, of course! Oh, dzień dobry! Hello! Oh, so we've got everybody. What an international boat we've got. Oh, isn't that great? Okay, well, we've done the Lebanon. We've done the Lebanon. There they are. Yeah, okay, we're going to do our first piratey pirate. Oh, before we do the game, let's get to know each other, because you know us and we know you. But get to know each other. Turn to the person on your left-hand side and say, hello, how do you do? And now turn to the person on your right-hand side and say, mind your own business, I don't even know you. Yeah, that's good. And with that, boys and girls, we're going to start our first training game. Pirate Ruby, go over there. Pirate Scarlet, come here. Pirate Petya, you can just help me with the translation if you can. Or just... Now, if you're Ruski, anybody who's speaking the Ruski, there's not many of them. So if you're speaking the Ruski, you just need to hang around Pirate Petya like a bad smell. And she will speak to you off mic, because there's not many of them today, are there? How many have you got? Yeah, if you want to go back on mic, you can. Mike won't mind. Lovely man. Okay. Right, okay, we're going to play a game that teaches you the areas of the ship. Okay, now here we all are on the Jolly Roger. Pirate Scarlet, yo-ho! Where are you, Pirate Scarlet? You're on a pirate ship. But where on the pirate ship are you? You don't know. Yeah, you are. Well, you're not really at the bow, but you're as far forward as we can get. Let's pretend she's at the front of the vessel. She's in the bow. Everybody say the bow. The bow. Pirate Ruby, ahoy! Where are you, Pirate Ruby? She's in the stern, of course she is. Everybody say the stern. Where is Pirate Scarlet? She's in the... Where is Pirate Ruby? She's in the... Good. Who should we have? Portugal, stand up. Yes, come on. Mrs. Portugal, what is your real name? It's Gabby, innit? Do you know where you are? Portugal. What side are you, Port side! She is from Portugal, and she's on the port side. Everybody say port side! Yes. Who should we have over here? You, stand up. What is your real name? Amy, that's right. Do you know where you are, Amy? The starboard side! Everybody say starboard side! Let's see if we can remember these now. You've got to learn to be pirates while you're here. This is the bow, this is the stern, this is the port side, and starboard. Let's do it again. Bow, stern, port, starboard. Yeah, that was a good one. It's a good job you don't really need to remember. Okay, but I just thought I'd educate you. Okay, the rules of the game, then we're going to play some pirate music, and during the music you have to decide whether you're going to go and stand in the bow, the stern, the port, or the starboard side. I'm going to be in the ISO booth there, like in the Mr. and Mrs. show, and I will shout out bow, stern, port, or starboard. And if you're in that area, you are OUT spells out. You are out of the game. You must leave the game. And we'll end up with one child left. And that child will win a pirate ice cream. Oh, yummy. Okay. Now, some of you, boys and girls, do not speak English. So those of you who do speak English, give me a yo-ho. You've got to help me because the other boys and girls will just follow what you're doing, isn't it? Okay, so we're going to start with the first game, and Petty is here to help the Ruskies. I'm going to put the music on, and one of my pirates will facilitate from out there. So here we go with the first game.
Do what you want, cause a pirate is free. You are a pirate. You are a pirate indeed. Being a pirate is a right to be. Do what you want, cause a pirate is free. You are a pirate.
Quickly choose your side. Bow, stern, port, or starboard. Oh, quickly. Have you all decided a side? Okay, Captain, we've all decided a side.
I am going to get rid of anybody in the stern.
Oh, all you guys down there, you are out of the game. Captain.
Wow.
We always have a pirate practice.
Oh, yes, we
So
always
it's all
have a
okay.
practice.
All the junior pirates are still in the game. You had a pirate practice. Choose another side.
Oh, yeah. We only have one practice though.
Choose the bow, the stern, the port, or the starboard. Are you ready? Quickly. In 3, 2, 1. Okay, Captain.
I choose the port side.
Port side, so you guys, unfortunately, you are out of the game. Well done. You can go and sit down.
Well done.
Everybody else, choose a different side. Bow, stern, port, or starboard. Oh, in 3, 2, 1, decide a side. Okay, Captain.
I chose the starboard side.
That's everybody on this side. Unfortunately, you are out of the game. You can go and sit down. Everybody else, pick another side. Quickly, pick a side. In 3, 2, 1, everybody stay on your side. Okay, Captain.
I chose the starboard side.
The starboard side again. Unfortunately, you guys are out of the game. You can go and sit down. Everybody else, pick a side. Okay, in 3, 2, 1. Okay, Captain.
I chose the stern.
The stern. Ruby, do you have people in the stern? Just the one. Never mind, you are at the game. You can sit down. Everybody else pick a side.
We're sailing away. Adventure waits on every shore. We set sail and explore. And Ren and Jim all day. We float in our boat until it's time.
Oh, stay on your side. Okay, Captain.
I chose right now the bow.
Oh, guys, you're out of the game. Never mind, you can go and sit down. Everybody else pick a side.
Until we sail again.
Oh, quickly pick a side. Okay, Captain.
I'm gonna get rid of anybody who's currently in the port side.
Just the one. Well done, you can sit down. Who else is in the game? Give me a wave if you're still in the game.
Who's left?
Joshua, Jamie. Oh, you are as well?
What's your name? Scarlett. I'm going to get rid of 2 of the sides now. They can now only go to the bow or the stern.
Okay.
So you can only stand in the bow or the stern, so choose me or Pirate Ruby. Okay, Captain?
Is everybody in position?
Yes.
Then I get rid of the person or persons in the bow.
Oh, that is you, you are out of the game. We've just got one person left. So we have our winner. Who is our winner? What is your name? Aaron is our winner today. Well done, Aaron. You can follow me and come and get your Pirate ice cream.
Well done, Sir Aaron. Fear not if you didn't win. Plenty more activities later on.
You are a pirate. Your heart wings at your back, lads, wherever you go. Blue sky above and blue ocean below. You are a pirate. You are a pirate.
Look, 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 look. Where? Over there on the starboard side of the vessel. The rocks of Moulier. What are they called? The rocks of... Thank you, Ruby. The rocks of Moulier. The rocks of Moulier have a very interesting tale. All right, I'll tell you about it. Back in the year 1970, there was a Spanish cargo vessel from the land of Spain, and it was in this stretch of water. It lost use of its navigational equipment and was grounded upon the rocks of Moulier. What are they called? The rocks of... Stranded on the rocks of Moulier for 4 years. During that time, the crew got off because they would have starved in it. 4 years later, the vessel was blown up and sunk. We call it the shipwreck Vera K, and we call it that because that is its name. More recently, about a month ago, another vessel was sunk near the rocks. We're now setting up a big artificial reef to encourage scuba diving tourism. It will be very good. So that is the rocks of Moulier. They are the rocks of Moulier. If you want to get any photos, make it snappy. Here's the Russian translation.
Мулия Рокс. Мы находимся возле скал Мулия. 5 сентября 1971 года здесь, натолкнувшись на подводные хребты, затонуло грузовое судно «Вера». До сих пор судно находится на морском дне и стало популярным местом для любителей подводного плавания.
What's that? What's that? It sounds very much like the Baywatch theme tune. Oh, what? Oh my goodness! Can it be? Yes, it is! Approaching at high speed on the starboard side of the vessel, just in front of the rocks of Moulier. It is! It's David Hasselhoff and the Dolphin Twister!
Дамы и господа, посмотрите, наша правая сторона кораблей, самый экстремальный катер на Кипре, Dolphin Twister. Скажем привет его.
He's coming straight at us! Thank goodness he's so maneuverable. Oh, being the fastest speedboat in Cyprus, I thought we were goners. I really did. Who'd have thought he'd pull that 180-degree turn out of the bag? Oh, it looks so much fun, I've got to say. Yeah, small inflatable boats are nothing on the Dolphin Twister. Okay, go away. I don't know who you are. There's David Hasselhoff, looking quite different when you last saw him. And he's here to promote his vessel, the Dolphin Twister, the fastest speedboat on the west of Cyprus. If you're an adrenaline junkie, if you love the idea of hurtling along the coast at high speed, doing 180-degree turns, and book on. Pirate Petty will be selling the tickets in just a few moments' time. Now, normally a ticket for this costs €20 if you book in the harbour. There's a 25% discount today, though. €15 for the ride of your life on the Dolphin Twister.
Дамы и господа, это что вы видели еще раз, самый экстремальный катер на Кипре, Dolphin Twister, с 500 лошадиной силой внутри. Если вы хотите покататься, пожалуйста, заказывайте свои билеты сейчас к ней. На наша установка для купания он придет и заберет всех желающих. Стоимость одного билета 15 евро на 15 минут. Минимальная возраст 3 года. И, пожалуйста, еще раз, если кто-то будет кататься, заказывайте свои билеты сейчас к ней.
So remember, if you want to book on for this 15-minute journey of high adrenaline action, Pirate Petty is selling this ticket in just a few moments' time. You need to book straight away, for David Hasselhoff will collect you when we get to our secret Pirate Bay. Anybody can ride the Dolphin Twister age 3 years or over, as long as you're not pregnant or have a heart condition. Seat belts are provided and sick bags are optional. Don't forget, it's got an extreme jet, which is much more powerful than an extreme jet. So, you know, take advantage of this fabulous opportunity and ride the Dolphin Twister. Pilot Petty is selling the tickets for the next 5 minutes. Thank you.